Hello and welcome back to Vicky's Crafts. I had a couple of hauls. I have one item from Amazon and a couple of items from Peachy Cheap, and then my monthly kit from Heidi Swapp. So let me show you the one thing from Amazon. I did pick up this die, and it's the hot air balloon. It came late because I wanted it for my the giveaway that Tina is having. I wanted to use it, but it came late. It came today, and I already packed up her stuff, and it's going on the mail tomorrow. But if I do anything, I think I'll send her some more dies, probably some cutouts if I'm in the mood to cut it out and make some embellishments with it. So this is the hot air balloon, and that's the company from Amazon. I got it. Then from Peachy Cheap, it was a big set of Prima cardstock. So this is Havana, two 12 by 12 scented notes. Hopefully it's different, or maybe they're the same. So they are the same. So I think it's 10 sheets, so yeah, 10 P's. So it's 10 sheets of, this one is the Havana collection, scented notes. So that's the front with the foiling, and that's the back. I love Prima cardstock. And then this one is 10 pieces of the Havana. So this one is called, let me open it up. This one is called Havana Collection P.S. I Love You. And it also has the gold foiling. And then this is the back, which is pretty too. So again, it's 10 sheets. And this one is called Havana Collection Script Minds. Again, you have that gold foiling here, and then this is the back. So you get 10 sheets of that one. And then this one you could even cut out and use it as ephemera. You could cut out the camera, these little things here. I think that's what I'm going to do. This one is called Havana Collection, Love from Havana. So you could fussy cut these tickets out. This little tag here, camera, and that's the back. And again, 10 of the same collection. And then nope, not the last one. The back is prettier than the front. So this one is called Havana Collection Beautiful Messages. So, and it has like alphas with the gold foiling. But I like the back. That's pretty with the birds. That's very pretty. And then the last one is called Havana Collection Chirping News. And so you have the foiled bird. And then the back is this, which is pretty. So you get 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 sheets of the same, but at least all of them were not so bad. Only one I didn't like. Okay, now for my monthly kit. This is the stamp of the month, and it has to do with camera. So this one is capture a picture, has the magic moment, forever photos, beauty, captured, remember, days, see, freeze time, and then some decorative corners. And then because every photo tells a story, and then this one says collect beautiful moments, and then click, and then the camera in a circle here. So that's the month, the stamp of the month. And then again, the little pouch. And I did buy, I believe, the stamp that goes with the die. So this is the washi tape, which I'm going to put here. And I took everything out of the plastic. So I did order this die, which I think I have it. If I do, I'm going to put it in my first prize winner if I have a box. Let me check here if I have it. Doesn't look like it. No, it's not in here. So this, I think this is new, and it's you could fold it over and it connects there, and you could put it in your book like this, and then you just open it up like that. So I bought that one, and this one is, there's a number here, is T41. It's T41509. Right there's the number. T41509. So that's that. And then this is the die that comes in this. And this one is T41511. And then I did buy the stamp, which is definition stamp. Should have taken it out of the plastic. This one is the definition of playful, relax, together, escape, freedom, getaway, lazy days, laughter, travel, and sunshine. And then it says enjoy this just for fun. And then it has some lines with some objectives. What does that say? The best part and location. I think I need new contacts because I can't see little things. And this is the stickers that it comes with. So, and then some stickers with vocabulary words in here too. As you can see, it's the same as, I guess, here, because it says getaway is here. Yeah, getaway, relax. So it's the same as the stamp. And then the alpha is in yellow and in blue. And then we have these little getaway that you could put in here like that, and then there's some that you could put your own, what you want. She did leave some without it in here, so all of that you could do yourself. And these have words. And then she did give us another one, but this one is the shiny one, and you really can stamp on shiny. So those are to make on your own, and these are the ones that are written. And that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors here. But you can make your own with the die that it came this month right here. So, and then there's 3 of these little open compartments. So one in green, yellow, mint, and blue. There we go. And that's it. That is it for my haul and my monthly kit. So as always, please give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you subscribe to my channel so that I could make up more than 1,000. So take care, and before I go, remember I have a giveaway. No one has responded, so please go into that video and see the requirements. If you cannot make one of the requirements, you could email me. My email is in that video. So if you can't make one of the requirements, you could email me stating what you're gonna do, okay? So that it won't be such a, because I know someone asked me if they couldn't do chunky, the chunky charm, and I told her she could make whatever she wanted, as long as she lets me know what it is, okay? So you can email me, because the email is in that video of my giveaway, and then you'll see all the requirements and rules, and you have to be 18 or over to respond to that video, okay? So take care. Bye bye.